Okay, this is the new nutcracker my son Gaston, say hello.
Hello.
And I made, and he's going to be the videographer today while I do a quick explanation on it. Okay, so what we made was, it's about 4" by 13.5 inches, half-inch plywood top, 3/4 inch bottom, just off an old piece of scrap. Cut a hole in the bottom for the nuts to drop out, and then 2x4 here, and then 3/4 inch plywood on each side with a 2x4 cut down to 2.5 inches across, and the standard 2x4 1.5 inch, and then just made an extra 1/8 of an inch of slide room in there. Put a nut into a threaded lock, and then this smaller block that's about 1.75 inches deep, inserted and glued in 3 dowels, cupped this out on both ends, and then we just stick the walnuts on here, 2 rubber bands on each side. You put the nut in there, hold it tight, pull this back, and then your cracked nut comes out the bottom. Oh, that was a bad one. And we'll crack a few here, and it snaps them pretty much every time. There's a good one. Splits them in nice halves. You put them in pointed end to pointed end, and then you can see matches them pretty good out the bottom. And then we just pick them apart from there. You got nice halves, and that's it. Thank you, Gaston.